How to Get Zero Input Delay in Fortnite Chapter 5. Hey there folks! Welcome back to another fresh video on System Secrets. Today, I've got something really cool to share with you all. We're diving into how you can cut down on input latency and delay in Fortnite. Trust me, this is going to level up your gaming experience big time. Stick around till the end because I've got some awesome tips coming your way. Also, drop your specs in the comments below so we can all geek out together. Alright, no more waiting, let's jump right into it. Alright, let's kick things off with step number 1, de-animating your windows. Windows comes loaded with a bunch of fancy animations by default, and toning them down can really help cut down on input latency. Here's what you do. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows right here, and then click on Adjust for best performance. Next, simply check the boxes for Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. These tweaks will help your windows look sharp while improving performance. Once you've done that, just hit apply and you're good to go. Alright, moving on to step number 2, tweaking your system configuration. Here's what you need to do. Search for System Configuration on your PC and click on it. Next, head over to the boot settings and click on Advanced Options. From there, select the number of processors and choose the maximum available for your PC. Once that's sorted, hit OK. Now, onto the Services section. Click on Hide All Microsoft Services and then deselect all the non-essential services like Adobe, Asus Fan Control, browser updates, and so on. Make sure you're only disabling the ones you're familiar with. For example, I've disabled Adobe, Asus Fan Control, and browser update services. Once you're done, hit apply and then OK and you're all set. Alright, on to the next step, disabling startup applications. Here's how to do it. Search for Startup Applications right here. Once you're in, what you want to do is disable all the unnecessary startup applications that you don't want launching when your PC boots up. This ensures that your PC isn't bogged down with unnecessary processes and memory usage in the background, ultimately reducing input delay. I've already taken care of this step myself, and trust me, it makes a big difference. Alright, on to the next step. Under the gaming section, you want to make sure game mode is turned on. This handy feature helps to streamline your system resources by shutting down background processes, giving you better FPS and overall performance while gaming. Now, right below that, you'll find Graphic Settings. Open that up and you'll see your game settings in default mode. Click on Change Default Graphic Settings. Here, you'll want to enable two key options: Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling and Optimization for windowed games. These tweaks help your GPU take the lead over your CPU, reducing input latency and improving performance, especially for games that support advanced features. So, don't forget to tick those boxes. Alright, on to the next step, you'll need to open up the Device Manager on your PC. Once you're there, navigate to the System Devices section. Here, you'll need to find and disable your specific devices. First up is the Composite Bus Enumerator. Disable that one. Next, you're looking for the High Precision Event Timer or HPET. Disable this as well. If you happen to have a numeric data processor listed in your system devices, remove that too. Lastly, find the SM Bus Controller and disable it. To do this, simply right-click on each device and select Disable Device, and that's it. This should help optimize your system for better performance. Alright, moving on to the next step, head over to the Network Adapter section in the Device Manager. Find your Ethernet controller, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Power Management tab. Here, make sure to uncheck the box that says Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Once that's done, click on OK to apply the changes, and there you have it. Close out of the window and you're good to go. This tweak should help ensure a more stable and consistent network connection. Alright, on to the next important step, creating a restore point. Here's what you do. Search for Create a Restore Point on your PC. When you find it, look for your local disk C and click on Create. Name your restore point something memorable like Fortnite so you can easily recognize it. I can't stress enough how crucial this step is. It's like having a safety net for your system's integrity. If anything goes wrong down the line, you can always roll back to this point without losing any data. So don't skip this one. Alright guys, that wraps up all the steps to reduce input latency and boost performance in your Fortnite gaming experience. I'm also considering making a video on fixing controller latency, so if you enjoyed this one, hit that like button. If there's enough interest, we'll definitely dive into that topic too. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future content. Until then, stay tuned, keep watching System Secrets, and peace out.